Hello, I'm Lena Taro. I'll be showing you how to do a one proportion z-test on the TI-89 calculator. We'll be using the example from Chapter 9, Section 2 of the Practice of Statistics. This example involves a sample of 500 potatoes, and the supervisor found 47 with blemishes. The question is this a high enough proportion of blemishes that he should reject the shipment of potatoes? To begin, we'll go to Stat List Editor and hit Enter. Hit second F1 to access the F6 menu. We're going to choose option 5, one proportion z-test. The hypothesized proportion is 0.08. This is what the inspector is comparing to. We'll go down, and our number of successes is 47. There are 47 potatoes with blemishes out of the 500 that were randomly selected from the shipment. He's only going to reject the shipment if it's statistically significantly more than 8% blemishes. We'll go down to Calculate, and here we can see our test statistic is Z of 1.15, our p-value is 0.124, and our sample proportion is about 9.4%. So because our p-value is 0.124, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis at any standard alpha level, meaning, assuming the null hypothesis is true, we'd expect to see a sample like this or something more rare about 12.4% of the time, or I should say more extreme, 12.4% of the time. There is another option here under our stat list editor for working with one proportion z-tests. And that was, instead of choosing to calculate, if we come down here, we could actually choose to draw. And what this will do is it'll draw our normal distribution, and it'll shade, in this case, the area to the right, since we had a one tail, upper tail rejection region. So we can see our test statistic once again, 1.15, and our p-value of 0.124.